Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel guys. This is your daily love tarot reading Sagittarius. Let's see what's coming up Sagittarius for your daily energies. So these are for your daily energies guys. For your love energies, we'll be picking cards from the other deck. So with these cards Sagittarius, the energy is that you are feeling a sense of completion today, some kind of happiness and contentment in some situations guys. Maybe in your personal life you have that happiness and contentment and that fulfillment sense of gratitude is there, and you're enjoying the things that you have, maybe your possessions or this person whom you're in relationship with. You simply adore them, you love them, you share a deep bond and you're happy for it. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you are taking time, you are contemplating about your strength, about your weakness, and what is your next step forward in life. You are planning your future clearly, and you are finding that opportunities or offers to reach success in life guys. So you are clearly planning your future today. What is your next step? That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, success is coming towards you guys. Abundance and prosperity is there right now with you. So things are going in a very positive way guys. Whatever you are expecting, it's coming towards you. Maybe you are planning to propose, or this person is planning to propose to you, and things are with these cards, the energy is that guys, things are going in a very positive way. Maybe they are thinking before coming towards that proposal, but they are surely coming forward. They are thinking about it. That is what I see with these cards. Let us see what are the cards for your love energy Sagittarius. We'll be picking cards randomly guys from this deck. Book, garden, man. So with these cards here, Sagittarius, the energy is that this person you're in relationship with, they have they are also interested in you guys, and they are also open to this relationship. They want to make that commitment with you. They are open to romance. They want this happiness with you, this relationship with you. Maybe if you are single and you are interested in someone, this person is also open to relationship guys, and they are also interested in coming forward towards you. Or if you are already in a relationship, this person may also be thinking of proposal, getting engaged or getting married to you. So that is what I see with these cards. And you share a deep understanding, knowledge about each other. You have a great compatibility and intimacy in this relationship guys. That is what these cards are about Sagittarius. Let us see what is your oracle's guidance. We'll be picking one card guys randomly. No place like home. So with this card, the guidance for you all guys is that today, whatever the situation is, maybe in your work or in your personal life, you have to be able to relate your actions based on the truth that you have in your heart. So in your work or in your personal life, so whatever truth you have in your heart of hearts, that should come out in your words and also in your actions. So when you do that, you will be able to find that happiness and love in your relationship guys. So when you base your relationship on that truth within yourself, if you love this person, you should be able to show yourself clearly, open yourself to this person to see the truth that is there in your heart. When you do that, you will be able to sync completely with this person, feel that love when that love is reciprocated to you. The same way in our work situation also, when you work with that authenticity in your mind, whatever goals you have, whatever dreams you have, when you take that efforts based on that truth, you will be able to see success in whatever you do, guys. That is what this card is about. That is the oracle's guidance. So you have to be true to yourself. That is what this card is about, guys. And that is the reading for your Sagittarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.